一位收藏者来说，他收藏的每一件东西都是他的宝贝。To him, his collections are invaluable. Chinoy Barkada, let's all go down this unique trip and marvel at Mark Howe's collection. 今天，飞华电视台将带大家踏上难忘之旅，让我们一起见证 Mark Howe 到底收藏着什么宝贝呢？
我看你们都很想知道这些东西是谁的呢？Chinoy Barkada, an average collector would have maybe around 1 or 2 sets of collection. But dahil nga season 4 na tayo sa Chinoy TV, super magle-level up na lahat ng bagay. So, we found a collector who not only has 1 or 2 collections, but 4 collections. And today, he'll be taking us on a unique trip through his home and through his prized possessions. Hi Mark, I'm Kathy from Chinoy TV.
Hi Kathy, welcome to my humble home.
Wow, I'm really at awe with your collections, Mark. So, can you tell me, when did it all start?
Well, I can say before, I used to like to pick up things, no? So, kahit nga pansan lang ng bote dati, I collected them or even used batteries. Eventually, it evolved to rubber shoes and watches and stuff.
So, what collection was the first collection that you collected?
The first that I really put my heart into it is the miniature models. So,
That we have here.
yeah, here. I started making this when I think I was still in high school.
By hand.
Yeah, you do them scratch built using hands from wires. You do the poses of what you want. So I tried to consolidate it by making them for myself.
So can you tell me about your second collection?
My second collection is the die-cast airplanes. Started this when I was 4th year high school, college. Because I started traveling with my dad, being a frustrated pilot. So, parang meron akong fancy with planes.
I see that you have other military planes that you collect. So, how did it become from the commercial planes that we see to that?
Kasi siguro being a boy, mahilig din talaga tayo sa since I want to be a pilot. But when I saw one plane in a shop, parang love at first sight, I bought my first one, and then yung first ko nag-trigger na. Medyo compulsive kasi ako pag bumili ako ng isa, then sunod-sunod na yun.
Ano yung parang the first thing that hits you na maglalabas ng compulsion to buy that?
It's more on the details. I'm after the details.
Your third collection naman, can you describe it to me?
My third collection is 1/6 figures. And 1/6 figures is actually parang dolls, but it's more on parang museum. You can see the facial features, detailed and very much detailed. And then they are poseable. You can pose their hands, legs, to whatever position na gusto mo.
I hear that these kinds of dolls that you're collecting is a bit pricey, no? So, what doll was the most expensive na na-collect mo?
Actually, I bought one from UK, which cost me £600. And that's the most expensive so far that I have purchased. You have to be, kumbaga, dapat alisto ka. Alam mo kung ano lalabas, then be the first to get it agad. Because once the market runs out of that model, then it's gonna be hard for you to get that, or it will be priced very high.
So tell us about your fourth collection.
My latest craze now is the Beta Splendens. We call them Beta Splendens. they're commonly called Siamese fighting fish. But for me, for the club that I joined, we don't condone fighting. So our competition is based on, the parang beauty contest.
So it's a beauty contest for fish. So I heard that you're applying for the judge position for this contest.
I'm actually applying as an apprentice judge right now for this. It's an international beta congress. It's also a club for this.
Can you tell us the reason why, of all the fishes that are out there in the market, why the Siamese fighting fish?
Basically, I'm awed by ang ganda kasi ng mga kulay nila and the form. The only drawback here is that you cannot put them together in one tank. But when you see them individually, kakaiba yung beauty nila, not like the other fish that you see.
Thank you, Mark, for touring me around your place and showing me your collections. I really enjoyed the day.
My pleasure. Chinoy TV is always welcome to drop by my home.
Thank you. 哇，今天我学到的是我们能从收藏东西培养兴趣。So, Chinoy Barkada for another slice of life's unique freeway. Keep it here only on Chinoy TV 飞华电视台。